is Rockin' Robin, and you are on Rockin' Robin 103. And today we are in the Skunk Ape Museum. Well, it's the headquarters, but it's kind of a museum in Ochopee, Florida. And we are looking at skunk apes. Look at the size of this guy's teeth. Isn't he something? We're going to look at a lot of other skunk apes, what they have to offer. I'm going to show you all around. So you stay with us. In order to get to the Skunk Ape headquarters, you need to go through the Everglades. And there's several rest areas, recreation areas, where you can go and look around, and they'll show you information about the Everglades, including some of the animals there, like these otters. So I went up one of the ramps so that I could take a look at the Everglades, and what do you think I found? Yes, I found this alligator. As I was going up the ramp, someone notified me that that alligator was looking at my dog. I have a little dog. I walked her up the ramp. I kept her very close. He went back in the water. All was well. So let's take a quick peek at the Everglades and what I saw. Beautiful area. Everglades were huge. Long way, and we only got maybe halfway through them. We were deep into the Everglades, but maybe only about a halfway. We started to get there, and look, the weather looked ominous, but we kept on going. We were determined to get to this Skunk Ape headquarters. As we drove around, I kept my eyes open, just in case I could find a skunk ape. You never know. You always got to keep watching. I took a look. Do you see anything? If you do, let me know. I didn't see anything. And then finally we arrived in Ochopee, Florida at Shealy's Skunk Ape headquarters. And here it is. It's very small, but it is a great place to stop if you're in the Everglades. Now this is when you first walk in, and we're going to show you around the gift shop. We did purchase several things, and in another video, I am going to open up a bag of skunk ape poo, and we'll see what that's all about.
Then again, this is off season, so
I thought
RV trails are closed down until August, I believe.
I thought it was a good time in June.
Hmm?
I thought June was a good time.
Not for this area. Now, more like Mayaca and stuff. Yes, we've been getting reports from up there. the reports that we get are usually during season or during our Python challenge in the.
When
here
is
in
the
Everglades.
season? August?
Season starts in November.
So now it's time to go look at some of the animals, and it costs $6 per person to get in, and it is well worth it, and they use it to, help keep these animals and this headquarters alive. Now we are in Skunk Ape country, and the first thing that I was dying to look at was this cast that was made from a skunk ape. Now if you notice, it has 4 toes. It has 3 toes, 1, 2, 3, and a big toe. Most Bigfoots have 5 toes, but the skunk ape has 4. And I guess Dave Shealy, who owns this place, he found this cast and he saw an actual skunk ape. Now you'll also see some other great things like this Florida snapping turtle. I could have watched this guy, I tell you, for hours. He was so much fun. He looked a little hungry, and he was very, very active. Look at the markings on him. I could make a monster out of this. Looks like something that would go with a Godzilla movie. He was adorable, but he wasn't even the star of the show. I'm going to show you who the big deal in this place is. The star of the show is Goldie, a reticulated python. Now this python is over 28 feet long and 350 pounds. Can you believe it? Wow, only at the Skunk Ape headquarters, and we are going to show you that python now. Look at the size of this monster. He is something else. Definitely the star of the show. He has been included in TV shows about pythons. Oh, what a beautiful animal. I'm just glad he was in glass and nowhere near me. Wow, look at that. Place had a number of different snakes as well as a lot of different alligators. They had some alligators in tanks, and they had, look at this red rat snake in a tank, and they also had some outside, which I can't get a good picture of, but I'm going to try to show you. Guy outside us, though he's hard to see, he was enormous. Although this guy is in the middle of the room, he's not actually a skunk ape. He might be a Bigfoot, but skunk apes have a different kind of face. And you know the skunk ape because they smell. That's where they got their name. Now, here's a little bit more outside. There's some kind of skunk ape, it looks like. And further back there is, you can see over here, and it's near the campgrounds. And I think that's a skunk ape. And over here is a Florida panther. There's a Florida panther crossing on the way there. And then over here, I just looked around. You see anything? I don't see anything. Wait, I see something over there. Yep, there's a skunk ape right there. So right here, this is the typical skunk ape and what he looks like. Well, this is Rockin' Robin. Thank you so much for watching. We went to the Shealy's Skunk Ape headquarters in Ochopee, Florida. If you like our videos, we show you all around Florida. Please subscribe, hit the bell, and give us a big thumbs up.